How's everyone doing? Having a good time, hey? You're back here to watch another video of me opening something up? Well, let's do it. What should we go for? Should we go for large, medium or small? What do you think? Let's go for large. Let's find out what we got in here. It is bloop. Ah, here we go. So this is a little light therapy light. I like these because I use them for filming as well. So these are little, I've got a couple of these, different sizes. It's good for when you're working in small dark places. So this would be good at my work. I've got no windows at work, so a bit of light therapy would be nice. Thank you. Okay. User manual. Shall we look at what this is first? It's not very nice, isn't it? Nothing in it. Thank you for the thank you card. Already, I can see this is quite nice. This is good, isn't it? So as I said, at my work, I've got no windows. So this is the sort of thing I'd take to work. So having it in this lovely little pouch is great. Look at this. So in the front, we have its stand. USB-C, no doubt. Yeah. It's a standard USB-C. What? How many mil? 8 mil is it? Yep, 8 mil. So it's standard. Which is good. PowerPoint for England, which is good. That's where I am. Look at that, it's a beautiful little case. It's all bubble wrapped in there. There we go. It's got its stand already. So, like so. Which is very nice, isn't it? So, let's have a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Very strange. So, one thing I thought was quite funny is it's got a stand built into it, but it also has a stand to hold it. So maybe it's a different angle. Let's just have a little look, eh? So the little stand holds it, but it holds it at the same angle. I suppose I can put it that way, sideways. That'd make more sense. Yeah, it's a bit of a funny one, that, because it has it in there. I can't see any reason why I would use the little stand here. This is very nice. Okay, so here it is. So it's got one of these plugs. So I'm guessing they make loads of these and they just send these to different countries. So it's not those simple click and turn ones. There we go. So light therapy is great. So I say I've got a big one of these, but I use them a lot for filming as well, and for when I'm doing my time-lapse drawings, I use them. The different brightnesses. So you can imagine I'll use this as one of my lights when I'm filming. See? So there you've got a daylight therapy lamp. So these are really good if you're working like I am in a small space with no lights, you can use these. I like this because if you're getting used to taking the light every so often, and you go on holiday, it comes with this great little bag. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So I would have never expected that. So the actual device itself, you can see it's lovely coverage of light coming off it. Down here, that's how you turn it on and off, the 0. So off and on. To go through the different brightnesses, depending on what therapy you want to go for. Or in my case, use it for filming light or when I'm doing a drawing. So on here, you can set a timer. There's the timer button there. So for 10 minutes, 20, 30, or an hour, depending on how long you want it. Or you can just have it on constantly like so. But remember, too much of a good thing can be dangerous, same as anything. I'm not too sure how bad these can be for you if you use them too often. So it doesn't charge. So once it's unplugged, it's off. Once it's plugged, then you get back on again. So it's got a little stand on the back, which does the exact same angle as this, which I find very strange. Let's see how much USB-C they've given us. There you go, got 1.5 meters of cable. That's good. You get your little bag, and you can put your 1.5 meter cable in that front pocket if you want. You could, if you want, just put your booklet in there with it. A little thank you card, nothing written in it. I'll use that for someone else. You got your little legs, which I'm sure over time I'll find a reason why that's in there. It's obviously been put in because it's needed. But you see, once it's on its stand, once it's in its stand and it's in its locked position, I mean, you can go a little bit further down, I guess, but really it's the same distance as the thing on the back. Yeah, so you can roll up your USB-C and pop it in the back and zip it up. You can take your beautiful light therapy light and pop it in there. You press the yield button to pop that apart so it doesn't wreck everything, and put that in there, because that's where it came from. There it is. All in there together. I like that. There's another 5 out of 5. That will come with me to work. And when I'm in my little tiny room with no windows, I will put this on in a corner. I'll also be using it as a light for when I'm doing my videos, because that's what they're good for. Right, thank you for watching this video. If you could like, subscribe and share, help this channel become bigger, and then I can get more items to review to do while I'm recovering from this back surgery of mine. That's Dax79, out.